Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add degree Celsius symbol in Excel. So in the first method you need to use the keyboard shortcuts, which is the easiest method. For this you need to type the number in your cell. For example, I have written 20 already. Let me open my on-screen keyboard. This is my on-screen keyboard. Select the cell and then you need to press Alt this key and press 0176 Alt together. So let's do it, and then you need to release this Alt key and you can see that degree symbol has been inserted, and now type the capital C with that. If you want to apply this formula to others, it won't be applied. So for this you need to use the another formula. So for this you need to put the equal sign and select the cells reference space, put the ampersand space, double quote space, double quote space, put the ampersand space, type CHAR, open the bracket, type 176 code, close the bracket, space, put the ampersand space, double quote and type capital C in that and double quote and hit the enter to complete the formula. So drag the fill handle to apply this formula to the all other rows, and if you are working on large data, so this formula is the perfect to add degree Celsius symbol. Moreover, there is another method that is called custom cells formatting, which is best for the calculation. For this you need to display degree sign plus C capital without turning the value into text. You need to allowing you to still perform math on the numbers. So for this you need to select the range of the cells you want to format, and then you need to press Ctrl 1, or either you can go to the home and click on this small arrow and click on the numbers and click on the customs, and in the type you need to remove the general and you need to paste this formula. I'll be mentioned in the description, you can copy from there. That is the 0 double quote degree symbol capital C and double quote. So for the degree symbol again you need to press Alt plus 0176 inside the quotes to get the symbol. Click OK to proceed, and now you can type any temperature that will be like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add degree Celsius symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.